Hello friends. So in this lecture we will try to recall all the steps that we have implemented to create this mandala. Not numerous steps. We have followed only few steps, right? The first step is draw some artwork first. These artworks which you are gonna be using in your mandala. That's the first step. It's really very easy. Second step, draw a structure of divisions which will help you to draw the mandala. Remember, more number of divisions means your mandala will be becoming more complex. Just take a look at this. It is having, I guess, 30 divisions. That's why it is this kind of complex. Okay, so let me hide it. So this is for number of divisions, and what we have done to create this structure, we have drawn a straight line. We have made it stroke 0.25 point, and then we have we have applied transform effect, and we have created multiple copies of that line. So that was the second step. Next, create another layer, draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. All should be aligned at the center. By that we'll be getting that intersection point. So we have that intersection point ready. We have this structure ready. Select the brush tool, draw some shape between these two lines. These two lines or these two lines. I prefer to draw between these two lines. Yep, these two lines, remember. Draw a shape anywhere between these two lines. And also I recommend to make sure that the path is going across this shape, okay? I mean, it's passing through the edges of this structure, okay? And we'll be drawing on layer 3 only. Next, we have applied the reflection effect to apply that same shape here also. So it's kind of like this, and again like this. Again we have applied the transform effect to make multiple instances of that shape. And then we need to have that clipping path, and for that we have used this rectangular for this we have used this rectangle tool. We have drawn a rectangle, then we have deleted an anchor point, and we have shrinked it, and we have then shrink that rectangle to this shape. Remember? Yep, I think you are getting the points now. And then we have applied clipping mask on that shape which we have drawn, and our main clipping path will be this one. So that shape got clipped. Then whenever you draw something between here, that will get copied all over there, all over other instances of that effect, or of that shape, you can say, of that object. So that's it, guys. Try to do it yourself 2-3 times. Yes, I recommend try to do it 2-3 times. Then you will get the complete concept of what's going on. If not, take a look at these lectures one more time, 2 more times, 3 more times. Yes, friend. And then try to do it yourself. That's it, guys. Then you will be start creating cool mandalas. Yup. So that's it, guys. Here I'm concluding this project. I hope that you have learned really good stuff in this course and also in this project. Wish you all the best for your career.